Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing raw mango jam recipe. This jam is prepared without adding any refined sugar and can be prepared with just under 3 ingredients. And this is very easy to make and can be stored for a couple of months when refrigerated. This jam can be served with chapati or bread. Especially if your child likes to have bread and jam or chapati, then definitely you must try this recipe. All you need to do is that put a spoon of jam and then top it with a spoon of desi ghee and then spread over the chapati. And then roll it and your healthy roll will be ready. This jam is much better than store-bought jams. No added refined sugar, no additives, no preservatives. Healthy and quick recipe. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get into the recipe. To make this jam, here I have taken a large sized mango and then rinsed it under running water and then dried it well. And I am going to peel this. Once peeled, grate the mango. Make sure to measure the grated mango. I got 1 cup here. Next, into a thick bottom kadai, add in the grated mango and to the same add in a spoon of desi ghee. Fry the grated mango until soft for about 5 minutes. Then just cover it with a lid and cook for about a minute or two. Once the grated mango turns soft, use the same measuring cup for measuring the jaggery. Here I am adding in a cup of jaggery. However, if your mango is very sour, then you may have to add little more jaggery. Keep stirring under low flame. Within few minutes, jaggery will melt and turn watery. Keep stirring on low flame and then add 1/4 spoon of cardamom powder, that is about 3 to 4 pods of cardamom. Cardamom is a little spice that gives an amazing flavor to the jam, so don't miss to add this. And then don't wait for syrup to get a string consistency. Once jaggery completely melts, switch off the flame. So this jam can be stored for a couple of months when refrigerated. Recently I have even shared a video on how to make mango chutney. The links will be shared down below the description box. Please check it out. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified on my new post. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.